Happy trading, everyone. This is Joseph here with Powerful Gains Stock Options. We're going to go over just a brief recap of today's market, just highlights, some brief highlights. And what I really want to do is dive into Tesla, go over Tesla's continued move today, and go over their continuation. And I actually pointed this out yesterday that Tesla was on watch. I caught some of their gains, actually two of the large moves that they made, and posted in the Facebook group, The Art of Profiting in the Market. So I'll post a link below and also post a link to yesterday's video where I covered some of the market action and gave some insight on some key levels to watch and put on your radar for today. And sure enough, SPY did exactly what I was saying it might do. You really never know what's going to happen in the market, which things can happen. There could have been some bad news, and the market could have pulled back. However, all things being equal, there was a strong possibility that it was going to test the SPY was going to test a key level that it's tested in the past, and sure enough, that's what it did today. And then Tesla, there was a very key level that it could also have tested today. And not to say that it was definitely going to do that, because you never know exactly what the market's going to do because it's the market. There are different factors that can impact the market. However, I did call out what that key level was and to be on watch. And if it does test that area, then obviously get in and take some of the profits on the way up to test that level. So we're going to cover those today. First, let's take a look at the SPY. So yesterday I called out this level here, 470.77. We could see here, SPY had some puts and takes over the last few months, balanced off its key level 425 quite a bit, and then just made a very strong run here from all the way October 13th and just ran all the way up here until it hit this level, 40.77. Once it hit 40.77, notice how it pulled back, tried to break it again, and notice it could not close above here and consistently move higher. So pulled back and you just chopped around here, tried again, and notice that it tested it here on December 16th, but couldn't close above it, pulled back, tried to make another run, and here's where we're at yesterday. Yesterday we were at 467, and this key level was again staring us right in the face. And I made a mention that this is a very key level here that SPY has not been able to break above. And sure enough, it did test it today, and it actually went above it. It traded above 472, but it could not close above it. It closed at 470 and 60 cents, as you can see here, and we're looking at 470 and 77 cents. So this is definitely a key area to pay attention to. Let's see what happens over the next couple of weeks. However, this was not a surprise that it was like a magnet trying to test that particular area. And that was something that I made mention to and called out yesterday in yesterday's videos. So as I mentioned, I'll place the link down below. The other sectors were up, but not up by a lot. Obviously, technology sector was up 96 cents. Financial sector up 20 cents. Dow moved nicely up $1.97, and a lot of that was triggered by Tesla. So let's jump into Tesla. So looking at Tesla on the daily, we could see it was pulling back for quite some time, easily 2 weeks in a row, and then stopped here at this key level 898 was when buyers stepped in. Buyers stepped in here and here. They stepped in to stop the selling, and then buyers stepped in here by moving price higher than the prior day. The downward trend stopped, and here's where momentum's changed. And then yesterday, we went over this candle, made a very strong move, up $74 for the day, caught massive profits on this particular move. And I called out this key level here of 1029, because if you look at this key level here, there's been a lot of action around this key level, even as far as early as December 3rd to December 10th. Just recent action here, and then the last couple of days, few days were kind of a mixed and overall downtrend. But I did make a mention that this was a key level and it should be on watch that it may want to test this level. And sure enough, it did. Look at it. Not only tested it, but it closed well above it. And there's another level right above it that it may test as well. So these are things that I called out yesterday. Just looking at this, very simple, a simple approach because price action repeats itself over and over again. And whether you're trading high price stocks such as Tesla or Amazon or BKNG, or Google, the price action is the same. You look at those charts, you look at a $200, $50 chart, and they are the same. The action, the signals, they're all similar. Look at this volume here, lots of green volume. The volume was 5.8 million higher than 30-day average of 25 million. So today's volume was 30 million. Just a lot of things pointing in the right direction here for continuation here. This is exactly kind of the kind of price action you want to look for, you want to get into, take advantage of. This over here, this is my daily watch scanner, and this is the powerful gain scanner based on the S&P 500, and this is based on all the other markets. And you can see there's just a whole lot of green here, a whole lot of green showing up in these markets. I mean, showing up in these scanners, so you don't have to do any of the work, any of the heavy lifting. The powerful gain scanner bring that to you, and that's actually one of the edges that we have in the powerful gain strategy. So if you want to know more about that, there's also a link below and some free training below as well. Just looking over some of the other action, we can see Lilly made a good move, up $6. MRCY was up almost $6, but check out this candle here. This was clearing all this prior resistance here. Just mega power here. Lots of volume, green volume. Second day in the squeeze. I mean, just look at this. The last time there was nothing even close here. So this could have been, someone could have taken this for a ride. I was stuck on Tesla, so I was taking profits in Tesla and take advantage of continuation. However, if you have a smaller account, this is a $55 stock, closed at $55.92. Look at this price move, up $5.21 or a 10% gain. That's just super powerful, to catch and not even have to go scouring the market for you. It showed up here on the powerful gain scanner. And as you can see, there's a wide range of stocks here. You got $200 stocks, $400 stocks, 600. Then you got some big guys like 2,400 for BKNG. Tesla was at 1067. So BKNG actually had some strong movement the last 2 days, and today also closed higher, but it's here at a key level, as you can see, and the key level 2410. And we'll have to wait and see what happens. It already made a very powerful move up from down here, 2213, all the way up to close at 2402. That's a pretty powerful move right there. It may want to rest. You got a double bottom here, and then it made it move up. Lots of red volume, but volume was low. So something to take note of. And this is just a bit of an insight of kind of how we look at things and powerful gain stock options, and some little tidbits of our powerful gain strategy. One of them is utilizing leveraging this powerful scanner. These scanners, they just only identify the strongest movers in the market, and you see the kind of returns: $58, $17, $6 up here. 6, 5. Today, the market didn't have a lot of action going on, but whatever stocks were moving and had strength, and also met a few other parameters uh, that make the scanner unique in what it shows. There's still a handful, more than a handful of stocks that you could have cashed in on to catch some of these profits. And then down below here, this is just my regular watch list. Take a look at Shop. Look, $53. Shop also made a very strong move here, and this scanner actually scans every hour. So based on when the stocks are moving, there may have been a stock that wasn't moving for some time, and then made a strong move. That's how the stock scanner works. But let's take a look at Shop. Shop had, another continued move right here, coming up against a key level, 1476. Let's just take a quick look at the 15. Nice action here on the 15. This has a KLAC had good action on the 15. LAM. Look at Lily. Nice action on the 15. Open here. Clear entry right here because this is just too much power to ignore. Pulled back, more likely for profit taking, and then just continued up higher. A nice move. Anyone who caught that, congrats on that move. But just overall good stuff. And if we take a look at Mercy, this is kind of what I was talking about. You see here's the first hour of trading. There wasn't much going on here with MRCY or Mercury, but notice when they made this move, this powerful move, this candle here, that's when it triggered for the powerful gain scanner, and it kept going higher and actually finished strong with very strong volume here. Average volume is about 800K for 30 days. So today, look, it had 2 million. It traded 2 million in volume. So definitely something to pay attention to, and something. Hey, if you don't want to, if you're tired of looking at stocks that might move or trying to find the right ones, look, this is brought right to your watch list here. Can even take advantage of looking at this on your phone. Just some of the uniqueness here of the powerful gain stock options strategy and some of the tools we have. So that's all I got for today. Good luck to anyone who caught some of this move here in Tesla. It was just monster move here and follow through. You can see here this powerful candle here closed above 1029, continued higher, and we'll have to be on watch to see if it tests 1082. It's already had some very, very good, very powerful follow through, and we'll have to wait and see, what it does next. But as you can see below, back here, there's quite a bit of ways. If it gets through 1082, it's got some key 1141. Then we're looking at 1217, and then we're looking at 1248. Those are next on the watch. That's all we got for today. Happy holidays, everyone. Hope everyone is geared up to have a safe holiday. Lots of people on vacation this time of the year, and it's a great time to sit and reflect with family and friends, and also take a look at your trading. I know of a lot of losing traders out there, a lot of inconsistent traders looking for an opportunity to change that in the next year and in the upcoming year. Lots of New Year's resolutions will probably be to be more profitable in next year, be more consistent. And for those of you out there who are just looking for some side income or another way to make some income, check out the free training below. The powerful gains stock option strategy. It's just we simplify things and we take things to another level. So these kind of gains are very easy to catch. That's all for today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. That's all for today, and we'll be in touch. Check us out. Connect with us on the other social media platforms. Got all the links below. Until next time.